Ahoy, Captain! Your website is sinking. Let's patch the holes.
You spent hours on your website, but it's still a hot mess. Auto-playing music? Check. Colours that burn retinas? Double check. Let's turn this shipwreck into a yacht. Mistake number 1. Your site's slower than a snail on vacation. If your site loads slower than this guy, visitors will bail faster than a TikTok trend. Google says 53% of users ditch sites that take longer than 3 seconds to load. That's like losing half your party guests because your pizza delivery took 3 hours. Turbo hosting? Think caffeinated cheetah speed. Compress images, ditch bloated code, and for the love of Wi-Fi, no auto-playing videos of your cat. Mistake number 2. Your design looks like a toddler's art project. Rainbow text, Comic Sans, your site's screaming, "I hired my nephew." Here's the tea. Good design is like a GPS. If users can't find your Buy Now button in 3 seconds, they're gone. Stick to 2 fonts, 3 colours max, and no unicorn puke vibes. White space isn't wasted space. It's your secret weapon to make your site look less like a yard sale. Mistake number 3. Mobile users want to throw their phones. If your site's mobile friendly, for ants, you're losing customers. 60% of web traffic comes from phones. Let that sink in. Your site needs to work on screens smaller than a Pop-Tart. Responsive design equals no pinching, no zooming, just pure scrolling bliss. Test it on your phone. If it looks like a giraffe in a phone booth, you've got work to do. Mistake number 4. Your branding is a potato.
Anyone can cook.
Well, yeah, anyone can. That doesn't mean that anyone should.
Your logo shouldn't look like a rejected emoji. Branding isn't just colours and fonts, it's your vibe. Are you luxe minimalist or ketchup-stained food truck? Pro tip, your logo should say trustworthy pro, not mystery meat. And for the love of design, pick colours that don't clash like 2 toddlers fighting over Legos. How to fix it? Want to skip the chaos? CatchyDesign does the heavy lifting. SEO, branding, hosting, all while you binge Netflix. We're like the Marie Kondo of web design. Does your site spark joy? No. Then let us toss the clutter, optimize the heck out of it, and make Google fall in love with you. Your secret's safe with us. Go from, "Oh no," to, "Oh heck yes." Your future self will thank you, or at least stop crying into their keyboard.